Today we're going to continue solving equations. In particular, we're going to be working with multi-step equations. So the first example we have here, we have 4x plus 3x equals 14. So to solve this, we're going to go ahead and start by simplifying the left-hand side as much as we can. So 4x and 3x, those are like terms, so we can combine those and get 7x, which is equal to 14. And then from here, we can divide both sides by 7. So the 7's cancel out, and that leaves us with 14 over 7, which is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. All right, in our next example, we have 3 times, in parentheses, negative x plus 2, which is equal to 9. Let's start off by distributing the 3. So we have 3 times negative x and 3 times 2. So this is going to be negative 3x plus 6 equals 9. Now from here, we're going to get the x by itself. So we start by subtracting 6 from both sides. That cancels on the left. That leaves us with negative 3x equals 3. And then from here, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. The negative 3 cancels on the left. That leaves us with x equals negative 1 for our answer. All right, in the next example, we have 9x minus 3x equals 18. Again, we'll start off by finding any like terms. In this case, the 9x and the 3x can be simplified. So 9x minus 3x is 6x. So 6x equals 18. Let's get the x by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 6. The 6 cancels on the left. And that leaves me with x equals 18 over 6, which is equal to 3. So x equals 3 is our answer in this example. All right, example 4. X minus 5 plus 4x equals 10. Again, let's see if there are any like terms that we can combine. In this case, the x and the 4x can be combined here. That gives us 5x minus 5 equals 10. Now we'll add 5 to both sides, and the minus 5 and plus 5 cancel on the left, which leaves me with 5x equals 15. And to get x by itself, we'll divide both sides by 5, and we'll end up with x equals 3 for our answer here. All right, example 5. We have x minus 2 times, parentheses, x plus 1 equals 4. Let's start by distributing that negative 2. So this becomes x minus 2x minus 2 equals 4. Let's see if there are any like terms. The x and the minus 2x are like terms. We can combine those and we end up with negative x minus 2 equals 4. And now we can add 2 to both sides. That leaves us with negative x equals 6. Now, we still have a negative in front of the x. It's implied that there's a 1 in front of the x, so pretend this is a negative 1x. That means to get x by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1. So the negatives will cancel off of the x, so now I have x equals negative 6 for my answer. All right, example 6. We have 3 times x plus 4 minus 2 times x minus 3 equals 5. All right, let's start by distributing. So distribute that 3, distribute that negative 2. So we have 3x plus 12 minus 2x plus 6 equals 5. Gather up like terms. So 3x and the minus 2x and the 12 and the 6. So 3x minus 2x is x. 12 plus 6, that's 18. So x plus 18 equals 5. And then to get x by itself, we subtract 18 from both sides. And that leaves us with x equals negative 13. All right, here's our last example for today. 5 plus 2, in parentheses x minus 4, equals 1 plus 3 times, in parentheses, x plus 2. All right, let's start by distributing. So let's distribute the 2 and the 3. So this ends up being 5 plus 2x minus 8 equals 1 plus 3x plus 6. And then let's see what like terms we have on either side to combine. So the 5 and the minus 8 can be combined, and then on the other side, the 1 and the 6 can be combined. Now I'm just going to combine things on the same side. So the 5 and the minus 8 ends up being minus 3, so 2x minus 3 on the left, and we'll add the 1 and the 6 together, so we have 3x plus 7 on the right. Okay, from here, now let's see what we can do to get x by itself. So I'm going to start by adding 3 to both sides. So this cancels on the left. That leaves me with 2x equals 3x plus 10. And now I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So now I only have x showing up on the left. So that leaves me with negative x equals 10. And remember, if you have a negative in front of the x, you can divide by negative 1. And that will give us x is equal to negative 10 for our answer.